Hello, and welcome to Hot Plate Extra Helpings. This month, Ali Bouzari talks about using natural ingredients as substitutes for food additives. The recipe he gave that I'll be trying out is for homemade bacon. For convenience, I have reduced Ali's amounts by half. You'll need 1 kilogram of pork belly, 3.5 grams of celery powder, 25 grams of salt, 20 grams of light brown sugar, 3.5 grams of black peppercorns, and 3.5 grams or a few sprigs of fresh thyme. So combine all the ingredients in a bowl, grinding down the peppercorns and thyme either in a mortar and pestle or, if you're lazy, like me, in a spice or coffee grinder. You can even include some of the smoked powder Ali discussed in January's edition of the Hot Plate. Skin the pork belly or ask your butcher to do this for you. You can use the skin to make some crackling, or you can even leave it on to give a crispy rind. However, taking it off should help the salt to penetrate the meat. Now cover the pork with the curing mix and give it a really good rub to coat all of the pork. I vacuum packed mine to take up less space in the fridge, but this isn't necessary. You could use a normal freezer bag, or just put it in a bowl, cover with the mixture, and then with some cling film. Whichever way you do it, put your covered pork in the fridge, and now leave for a week. Once the week is up, remove the pork and wash off the mixture. You can do it under the tap, but I used a bowl because my cameraman was too lazy to move his cameras. Now place in a preheated oven set to just 95 degrees Celsius and leave until the internal temperature reaches 65 degrees Celsius. I used a digital probe with an alarm to tell me when it had reached the temperature, but you can take it out and check it periodically. It should take about an hour or so, but more if you're using a bigger cut of pork. The finished product is a pinkish tone, reminiscent of ham. Allow your pork to cool down to room temperature before storing it in the fridge for 3 weeks or in the freezer for 3 months. Cook it in the usual manner. And that's really nice. In particular, the dry curing has meant the bacon has crisped up really nicely. You can use it to top off an Eggs Benedict, or make your colleagues very happy by cooking them a load of bacon and egg sandwiches.